Taufikur Rahman. In this night, I'm gonna work homework from my teacher, the lesson of English lesson.
Hi, my name is Dipra Maulana. I'm gonna make to homework with my friend is Taufikur Rahman.
Hey, mine if I join you, it's my first day, and I'm figuring out everything where everything is.
Sure, go ahead. I'm new too, so we can figure it out together. I'm Alex, by the way, from the Faculty of Communication.
Oh, nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Sarah from the Faculty of Economy. How your first day going?
It's been pretty good so far, but it's a bit overwhelming. So many new faces and the campus is full. How about you?
Same here. I'm excited but also a little nervous. The faculty seems really intense.
I can imagine. Economy sounds like it's for the really demanding. What made you choose it?
I've always been fascinated by how economies work, especially the way financial systems impact people's life. What about you? Why communication?
I have always been fascinated by how economies work, especially the way financial system impacts people life. What about you? Why communication?
That's so true. Communication is everything these days. It's like the bridge between ideas and action. Do you have any specific career goals in mind?
I'm still exploring, but I'm learning towards media production or public relations. What about you? Any dreams for the future?
I'd love to work in international finance or economic development, maybe even with a global organization like the World Bank, but I'm keeping my options open for now.
That sounds impressive. Where but I mean pretty high.
Yeah, but I think that's what universities for, right? To dream big and figure out how to make it happen.
Absolutely, and it's nice to know we're not alone in this. Maybe we can keep each other motivated.
I like that. It's always good to have someone to talk to, especially when things get tough. We should definitely keep in touch.
Definitely, maybe we can grab coffee sometime and compare notes on how to survive our first year.
Sounds like a plan. Here's to now beginning and hopeful a great year ahead.
Here's to that.